bacon, eggs, chips, and cheese. Add a little onion, and that's what's for breakfast. Jalapeno chips for breakfast? You betcha. All right, fam, the first thing we need to do is to cook our bacon about 3/4 full. And I think we're about there, so we're gonna cut the oven off, pull the bacon out, and let it cool off. As you can see, I like using those dollar store bacon sheets. They're a buck at the dollar store or Dollar Tree. No cleanup. Once I'm done, wrap that up, throw it away. The reason you want to cook the bacon about 3/4 cooked, it's gonna finish cooking during the process when we cook our meal, and you want it pliable so you can roll it. You'll see what we're talking about here in a minute. Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. First and foremost, a shout out to the boys over at Barbecue Pit Boys for sharing this recipe on YouTube. I saw it and I loved it. What we're preparing today is called bacon and egg pie. I never heard of it before, but the first time I saw it, I'm going, this has to be delicious. So, without further ado, I've taken my bacon out of the oven, and like I said in the intro, we cooked it about 3/4 cooked, because what we have to do is we have to roll it. So we're going to roll up some bacon, and I think I'm going to use my small pan. So we roll up some bacon, change this over and put this here so we can see what's going on. All right, we're going to roll up. I got a whole container of bacon, and I'm assuming that's about 15 pieces. We're gonna roll that up. The last time I rolled something up, I was probably in college or high school, but that's neither here nor there. Man, when I was doing this, I was tempted to not do the video and just sit around and eat the bacon. I should turn that fan on, but it'd be too noisy. The only thing about cooking outside, you gotta worry about flies and pests. If I turn the fan on, y'all probably won't be able to hear me. So we're gonna roll this bacon up. Probably could have used a little more bacon, but we're gonna make it work, because I am hungry and I am itching to try this recipe. All right, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna crack about a dozen eggs all around the bacon. Yep, definitely could have used a little more bacon. Now the Pit Boys, they use onions, but I love this picayo. So we're gonna put in the place of the onions, and we're gonna see how this works out. Because I always put it over my eggs, so I think this would make a great addition to this recipe. All right, next, we're going to season it. I'm going to use some Tony Satcher's Creole seasoning. And once you put that, you really don't need a lot of salt. So we're going to dump in a little pepper. And for health reasons, I think we're going to forego the salt. Now next, you didn't see that coming, huh? We're going to crush up these chips. Here's where the pie part comes in at. This is your base, your carbohydrates. We're gonna load this thing up with crushed chips. A little more, and we're gonna save a little bit for later. My favorite, pepper jack cheese. We're gonna load that up with pepper jack. Awesome. Now, we're going to get that fire going. Put this on a burner. And today, we're not using the Big Easy. We're going to be using my burner. Beautiful. I'm going to put this right here on the burner. Put this oversized lid on it, and we're going to come back. Probably going to take about a half hour. We'll come back and we'll check it and see what our progress is. All right, fam. I had that on high heat. It was a little too high, but that's what we're working with. So we're going to go ahead and turn it off. We're going to let it cool off in place, and then we're going to see what we're working with. We'll be right back. The moment of truth. I have no idea what to expect. It's my first time cooking this. I don't know if the eggs are gonna be done. I don't know if I left it on long enough. Oh, they're done. Let's see what we're working with. Pit boys, that's some good stuff. I had the fire a little too hot at the beginning, so it got crispy around the edges, but oh my goodness. Listen, fam, y'all gotta try this. This is delicious. The bacon, crispy, the crunch, the chips kind of softened up, so they're not really crunchy. The bacon is more crunchy than the chips, but it gives it a good flavor. The chips are smoky, they're jalapeno flavored, so it gives it a little kick. This is freaking delicious. Oh yeah. Bacon and egg pie. If you like it, give her a thumbs up. If you didn't, give her a thumb down. And a reason why in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.